This is Kashif Khan. I am from Pakistan and I am working in sector F73, Islamabad. The marble floor variety is Volakas. Come. The marble floor come close. The marble floor surface is prepared with the resin diamond pad grit number 3000. Surface is prepared with grid number 3000. Now I am want to polishing with 5 extra. These are the pieces. Come close. These are the pieces of 5 extra kasani. Now I want to polish this marble floor. The marble floor origin is Italy. Put the 5 extra pieces in round shape on marble floor. Like this. Put on sponge on the pieces of 5 extra. Come close. These are the pieces of 5 extra kasani. Put on sponge. Put plate dry on it and put rubbers. I am putting 2 rubbers. You can balance it 2, 3 or 1. Splash card. Open valve to open the water. Open. Now I am want to operating a machine and polishing marble with 5 extra. Make 3 or 4 passes. Come close. Yes. Go back. Go back. Work in progress. marble floor is polished with 5 extra. Now I want to share the polishing results with you. Floor is drying. After dry the floor, I will share the results with you. Please wait. Floor is drying. Yes. The floor is now dry. Wait. Wow, what a beautiful reflection. It's amazing. You can see, you can notice the floor is prepared with the 5 extra. You can see the gloss on marble floor. Oh, what? Another side, the floor is not polished yet. Other side, we applied a final grade resin diamond pad, grit number 3000, and here we used a 5 extra, and floor is polished. Wow, what a beautiful shiny reflection on Volakas marble. The variety of the name of marble variety name is Volakas, and the origin of this marble is Italy, and the price of this marble floor is 24,000 rupees per square foot. Enjoy. You can notice the reflection on marble floor. I hope today you learn a lot of from this demonstration video. Like this video and share this video with your friends and family, and post this video on social media. Post this video on WhatsApp groups and Facebook groups. Subscribe my YouTube channel and push the bell icon, so when I upload a video like this, you can get the notification. Thumbs up, subscribe my YouTube channel, please.